Hey, thank you so much for tuning in. It's your girl Roxy. I'm so excited today to share this video with you. I will be showing you guys how I slay this lace front curly bob provided by My Chic Wigs at mychicwigs.com. So I'm just going to show you guys what comes in the box. All right, so it looks like a shoebox. You know, we just open it up. And in the package here, in a Ziploc bag is where they put the hair. The wig, I should say. Okay, so my first impression of the hair, I was very satisfied, especially because of the texture and how easily I could run my hand through the curls. Okay, so that was one thing I was very happy about. It was very soft, very smooth, very shiny, has very nice sheen, a very nice sheen to it. And the lace, the knots were very light and requires almost no bleaching at all. So that's how it looks. And I'm pretty excited to actually apply this wig. Okay, so in the box, they sent a rat tail comb, a weaving cap, which I won't be using because it doesn't match my skin, but that's okay, and some curling rods. Okay. Oh yeah, and also scrunchie. Thanks. All right. So before anything, I just wanted to place it on my head just to see how it would look generally on me and to see if the cap fit. So the cap fit very well. The perimeter of my head is about 22 inches. So I believe it's a medium size cap they sent me, which is perfect. So here I'm just centering it. And before I start any type of application, I just wanted to give the hair a light wash with some Tresemme shampoo. So just by washing it, it's going to kind of define the curls a little bit more. And just so I can see the true curl of the hair, and just to give it, you know, a nice little wash. So I washed it once with the shampoo and rinsed it. Nothing too serious. I didn't condition it because I will be adding a little bit more product after. So now that it's towel dried, I am adding some Cantu leave-in conditioner. The Cantu leave-in conditioner is just going to condition it, of course, and going to help with the curl defining process. So I'm just lightly distributing that throughout the hair. And while I'm doing this, the whole time I'm thinking is, wow, this hair is so soft, it's so silky, and I'm quite impressed. The next product I'm using is the Hawaiian Silky 14-in-1 Miracle Worker. This spray or moisturizer, it works as a moisturizer, and it also works as a curl definer, and it works as many other things, but for the main purpose of this wig, it's working as a curl definer. It's going to add a bit of moisture and sheen, and it's going to help condition the hair a little bit, and also define the curls, of course. So I just try to rub that all through the hair as best as I can. Once I've completed adding all the products that I would need or that I like, I'm blow drying it. So just giving it a light blow dry to remove any excess water and to set the curls, of course. I just want to show you guys the lace and how transparent it is and how the knots are very light, and it looks like the hairline is pre-plucked, so you do not have to do any plucking if you'd like to. I would suggest you do it to your liking, but if you don't know how, it's not necessary. So now I'm putting on a wig cap that matches my skin tone more. So it's a dark brown wig cap. So this is gonna help me blend my hairline. All right, and now I'm adding the Got To Be Free Spray that everyone knows about, the most popular, one of the most popular ways of applying your lace. So I'm just adding that to the perimeter of my hair, of my hairline, so that the wig cap can set to my head. So I spray it there and then I blow dry it until it's completely dry. Once it's completely dry, I am going to cut off the excess stocking, as you can see here, just so that it's closer to my hairline. For this application, I will be using the Got To Be Free Spray only. If you want a stronger hold, you can definitely use a lace front glue, but I will be taking off my wig daily, so I don't need such a permanent hold. So the next step I'm doing is adding some foundation to the front of my wig cap. So this is going to help me seamlessly blend my lace frontal to match my skin so that it looks like my scalp. So I'm mixing two MAC products, my MAC foundation and my MAC concealer. I will leave the colors in the description box below because I can't remember what the colors are right now. And also what I did was I added the same combination of foundation and concealer to the inside of the wig cap. My Chic Wigs has created such a beautiful wig as to where if you're a beginner and you're not sure how to bleach and how to pluck, you don't need to do that because the wig comes lightly plucked and the knots on the lace are very light and they're not too dark. So all you need to do is add some foundation, and I'm very grateful for that. So next what I'm doing now is cutting the lace. Very simple. I'm just cutting the excess lace. Nothing too particular. I'm cutting it on the wig. I'm cutting it on the mannequin head, not necessarily on my head. So just snipping that off. Also, their wigs come with adjustable straps, which is amazing. So you do not need to add an elastic band or do the elastic band method because the wig can adjust and you can tighten it as much as you need to. So now I'm adding the Got To Be Free Spray. I'm starting by putting some in the middle. So I'm going to be laying down the middle, then the left side, and then the right side. I love how this wig is so easy to apply. To be quite honest, this is my first lace frontal wig that I've bought fully structured for me already. And I must say that this is one of the easiest applications. This is the easiest application I've ever had to do. And I'm very impressed. So once I spray once I spray the free spray, I'm just laying it down, pressing it down with my rat tail comb and blow drying the sides down. Okay, so I'm doing the same thing that I did to one side and the other. So like I said, I did the middle first and then I do the left and the right sides. So I spray the free spray, lay down the lace, and I use my rat tail comb to kind of lay it down and secure it, and then I go in with some cool air from my blow dryer just to set it in place. Even without the baby hairs, this wig from My Chic Wig looks pretty darn good to me. I love how it blends with my hair, like with my scalp I should say. I'm quite impressed. So what I'm doing now is just trying to see what the scalp looks like. Looks pretty good. I didn't do any plucking, didn't do any bleaching. And now I'm just pulling out some baby hairs. My hair is blowing because the fan is on My apartment is hot. I have AC, but I guess it's just not as strong as it needs to be. And outside is almost 30 degrees Celsius. So I have my fan on, it's blowing a little bit, but I think I might turn it off later. I think I did turn it off later in the video. So I'm just pulling down my baby hairs. The baby hairs, they do provide, the wig does have baby hairs. They're a little bit longer, so I'm going to cut them down so they're more shorter and look more natural. So I'm going in with a razor comb to trim them and shorten them so they're not too drastic. And that's one thing I like about My Chic Wigs, is that you're able to customize it. So they make it long enough so that if you need it shorter, you can cut them shorter, as opposed to them being too short and then you obviously can't grow them back. So this is just your regular black styling gel. This is from Luster's Pink. I'm just taking it and creating some baby hairs, just playing with it a little bit. Nothing too fancy, just blending it out. And guys, just take a look at my hairline. Is this like not amazing or what? I can't wait to get another wig from them because I am so impressed right now. This might be my go-to delivery hair because I don't know what I'm gonna do when this baby comes. I'm not gonna be able to do anything to my hair, so I might just have to get a lace wig. So I found that the baby hairs were a little bit too long, so what I did was just went in and shortened them a little bit more, which is fine. And I just cut some baby hairs along the side here just to shape it up. And voila, guys. Look how beautiful and bouncy these curls are. What? I am feeling myself. What? I'm trying to contain myself, but I'm really impressed with this wig. I'm especially impressed by how easy it was to apply. In this clip here, I did go and add a little bit more water to it. So just to define the curls a little bit more, and I added some mousse to set it. And this is a perfect summer bob, vacation wig, whatever you want to call it. But to me, I am just loving this. I would also like to get this curl in a longer length, just because it just looks so damn beautiful. Guys, take a look at how full and bouncy the hair is. Amazing. I was feeling myself all day. And guys, this wig is versatile. You can put it up in a pony if you want. You can make it a middle part. This is how I did my little high top pony. Half up, half down. You know, everyone's doing that these days. So I thought that was cute. And just one more look at the hairline. Yes. Zoom in on that. My Chic Wigs, get it. So I just want to say that I'm highly impressed. They're mychicwigs.com and I feel so chic in this wig. Thank you so much to My Chic Wigs for providing the wig for this video. I will leave all their product descriptions in the description box below. I will leave the product link to where you can buy this wig if you're interested, their Instagram page, their Facebook, and their YouTube. And don't forget, they're at mychicwigs.com. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. You can comment if you have any questions. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos. See you in my next one. Bye.